Hello students, this is SriRam Shastri. I once again welcome you back to my new video session. Again, this video session will be about how to draw the structure of Graafian follicle. So a mature follicle is called as the Graafian follicle. So you can start with a round spherical structure like this. So it forms various fibrous tissues or fibrous structures like this. So it forms the outer layer called as the theca externa. Just rough lines you can put on it. This is theca externa. Then you have the inner layer, that is the theca interna. So theca interna is the second layer of tissue. It contains generally again fibers and blood vessels. Fibers and vascular structures. So we can put these round structures to show the vascularized nature of this layer. Right, now you can put the basement membrane. Okay, so to draw the basement membrane, you can take what you call as again a lining at the end of this. This is the basement membrane. After the basement membrane, now you can continue with the membrana granulosa. Now membrana granulosa is the cells which are found in the Graafian follicle, and they generally form the structure like this. They are connected to the maturing ovum. Okay, so here I will draw the ovum later. So here you can draw the spherical cells like this. Okay, so in a fast way you can just complete it. Okay, this is membrana granulosa. You can draw numerous cells. I am drawing it fast way, so I am just trying 2 or 3. Okay, so you can draw as many as possible. These small cells form the membrana granulosa layer of the Graafian follicle. Okay, here also you have these cells. This layer is called, this region is called as cumulus oophorus. Okay, in the labelings I will show you what parts are called as what. So again, this is the structure of mature follicle or Graafian follicle. This is completion of the layer membrana granulosa. Now you can take another color to show you the layer of corona radiata and zona pellucida. Okay, inside this you can draw the ovum or maturing germinal vesicle and oocyte. So this is germinal vesicles, you can see, and it's generally been covered with a layer of cells. It's generally been covered with the layer of cells, and this region is also filled with a liquid. This liquid is liquor folliculi, and the cavity is called as antrum. So we'll start with the labeling now. After this, you can put the labelings now. Okay, so this one you can label it as the oocyte. This nuclear structure you can label it as germinal vesicle. Okay, this structure is cumulus oophorus. Cumulus oophorus. Okay, this yellow layer what you see is the layer, this is the corona radiata cells, corona radiata, and this is zona pellucida. Right, now this layer you can label it as the theca externa. This layer you can label it as theca interna, and this purple line you can label it as the basement membrane. Clear? Now this is the Graafian follicle. Structure of Graafian follicle. Right? So we'll stop this video here itself and we'll continue with the other diagram in the next video. Thank you.